Okay. Hi, I'm Wonga. I live in Malawi, Lilongwe, and this is the Hope Missions farm, and I'll just show you around. Okay, so this place we've planted onions. They're just a few weeks old. We've planted onions, and then we're using the irrigation system. So it's been okay to plant onions during this season, and then we have maize this side. We have maize this side. We're just planting maize for the dry season, so be able to sell it at a higher price. So we're planting maize this side, and we're doing it in phases. So we've started this side, and then we also do that side, and then we have tomato that side. Let me just show you the tomatoes. Okay, so we have tomatoes this side. We had them with they're just finishing now. We've sold almost everything, and then just finishing now, and then we'll be able to plant the next tomatoes in just a few weeks' time. We are able to sell it at a higher price because of the rains. People don't really plant this time, and then we also have chickens that side, so I can show you the chickens now. Okay, so this is the chickens building. We have layer chickens in here. We have about 2,500 chickens in here. Just 6 weeks old. They'll start laying somewhere in September. So we use the manure from this side, and we use it to grow this side. So we don't buy fertilizers. We use the manure from the chickens and the pig compost manure for our crops here. And then we have the solar system that we're using for this whole farm. So let me show you that. Okay, so this is the solar system we're using. We have 6 solar panels here, and then we have a pump down here. So we use that power to pump the water into the tank there. So it feeds the whole place. We have pipes and gate valves everywhere. So it feeds the whole farm. We're able to plant during the dry season because of this solar system. Okay. Yeah.